Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete a follower on X. So the ability to delete a follower on X without blocking them is available on X website and not in the mobile application directly. So I will show you how to do that on your web browser, and also in your mobile application I will show you how to soft block your follower. Okay, so let's go to your preferred browser and you have to go to x.com page and sign into your X account. Now when you're here, when you're in, you have to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen and enter section with your profile, and here find your followers. So tap here and at the top select followers section, and from this list you need to find the specific follower that you want to delete. Tap on their profile picture, which redirects you to their profile, and tap three-dot button and select option remove this follower, and then you have to confirm the action. Yeah, that was how to directly remove your follower. And now let's go to X application and I will show you the soft block method. So again, go to your profile in the top left corner of your screen, go to your followers, at the top select followers, go to specific person that you want to delete as a follower, and in the top right you have to tap three-dot button and select option block this follower. So then you have to confirm the block that you really want to do that, and immediately after that you have to immediately unblock them. So tap the blocked button that appears on their profile and select unblock option. This action is called soft block, and this way this user will be removed from your follower list. It will no longer be this user will no longer be as your follower, and they are now not blocked and they can view your public profile and public posts. And in that case they will have to follow you again manually. So that's soft block if, for example, you cannot access your browser. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.